Hey everyone, this is Kevin from themathworld.com. Today we're going to be going over adding fractions, specifically in the form a over b plus b over a. Again, these numbers are going to look something like this. So the first example we're going to look at is 7/11 plus 11/7. The first thing you want to do is take the largest number and subtract the lower number, in this case 11 minus 7, and we're going to square that. 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 squared is 16. 16 is going to be our numerator. And we're going to divide that by 11 times 7. 11 times 7 is 77, so that's going to be our denominator. And then we're going to add a 2 to the beginning. So our answer, 7/11 plus 11/7 is 2 and 16/77. The next example we're going to look at is much simpler, but it's always good to understand how this works for all fractions. So in this case, we're going to do 6 minus 3. We're going to square that number. So 6 minus 3 is 3 squared. That's 9. That's going to be our numerator. And then we're going to multiply these numbers. 6 times 3, that's 18. And then we're going to add a 2 in front, and we can reduce this fraction. 9/18 is 1/2. So our answer is 2.5. The next example we're going to look at is 2/7 plus 7/2. We'll do 7 minus 2, and we're going to square that number. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 times 5, 5 squared is 25. That's going to be our numerator. And then 7 times 2 is 14. That's going to be our denominator. And then we're going to add 2 to this. Now this is an improper fraction, so we can clean it up a little bit. This actually equates to 3/11/14. After we just divide 14 into 25, that gives us an extra one, and we have 11 left over, so 3 and 11/14. So our answer, 2/7 plus 7/2, is 3 and 11/14. Next example we're going to look at is 3/9 plus 9/3. We're going to take 9 minus 3, square that number. 9 minus 3 is 6. Squared is 36. That's going to be our numerator. Then we're going to have 9 times 3 is 27. That's going to be our denominator. And we're going to add 2 to this. We can also clean this up a little bit. We get 3 9/27, and then we can reduce this down to 3 1/3. The last example we're going to look at is 3/5 plus 5/3. We're going to take 5 minus 3, square this number. So 5 minus 3 is 2, squared is 4. 4 is going to be our numerator. Then we're going to take 5 times 3. That's going to be our denominator, so 15. And then don't remember, we always have to add 2. This is a proper fraction, so we don't have to do anything else. We can't reduce it anymore. And so we have 2 4/15 as our final answer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, learning a little bit about adding fractions in this specific form right here. If you'd like to watch other math videos and tricks, you can check out themathworld.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.